Black Friday is finally here, so let's go through the top 15 Black Friday deals in tech that I've used over this past year, with the first one being Apple's AirPods 4 with ANC active noise cancellation. They're only $99 on Amazon right now with the link below, so that's 79 bucks off, which is insane because these are the best budget buds you can get. For number 2, we have this right here. It's my favorite portable 3-in-1 travel charging station from our partner ESR, and I recommend this for 3 reasons. Number 1 is that it charges the new iPhone 17 series at 25 watts Qi 2, which is the fastest possible, even though it's super slim and fits in any bag with ease. Number 2 is that it's got a built-in Cryo Boost fan that keeps it cooler so it doesn't overheat and slow down, giving you 60% charge in 30 minutes, which is faster than Apple's 25 watt puck. And number 3 is that you also get the fastest possible charging for your Apple Watch and your AirPods, so it's perfect for travel. They also have their 3-in-1 charging station that gives you a clean desk setup, coming with all of the awesome tech like 25 watt charging and Cryo Boost built in, and yes, you have the fastest charging for your Apple Watch and your AirPods. And both of them even come with a 50 watt charger brick in the box in case you need to charge your MacBook. Use the links below to buy now. Now for number 3, we have the world's smallest flash drive. This is the SanDisk Extreme Fit with up to 400 megabytes per second transfer speeds. Right now it's only 18 bucks. What's cool is that you can plug it into your MacBook and you can just leave it there. It doesn't block anything else. It's super tiny, so you could actually plug it into the bottom of your iPhone and record video right to the SSD. Now for number 4, if you have a new iPhone 17 Pro, you definitely need a nice and protective case, especially since Apple went back to aluminum. But if you get these cases from our sponsor K-SKU, you don't have to worry anymore because the cases offer all-around protection even on the camera plateau. The titanium Magic Stand 360 case matches any color of your phone, giving you a premium look and feel, as well as a patented Magic Stand that spins around 360 degrees, so you can use it in both vertical or landscape mode, with the ring doubling as a hand grip. And their other case has more of this soft shell that has all of the same benefits like the camera cover, Magic Stand 360, and all-around protection, so you don't have to worry about scratching up your new iPhone. And these cases are perfect for those who want to make their phone stand out. So if you're interested, you can use the links down below. Moving on to number 5, we have 2 of the best 3D printers from our partner Bambu Labs. And if you've been waiting to buy one, it's the perfect time this Black Friday. Out of the box, their A1 printer is super easy to set up with one-click printing, allowing me, without any experience, to print useful things using the Bambu Handy and Maker World websites, like this multicolor transformer for my kids and these kid-friendly box cutters, all on this one printer. And their P1S is one of their higher-end printers, allowing you to print with more filament types like ABS, ASA, nylon, and polycarbonate, thanks to its enclosed design. And I printed a ton of fun things like our company logo, as well as a bunch of useful things like this box cutter, as well as this viral standby dock for the new iPhones. We have this headphone holder, and we have a stand for the M4 MacBook Air, which looks absolutely awesome. Just look at that print quality. So if you want to get into 3D printing, now is the time, with the A1 combo coming in at $379 and the P1S combo being only 619 bucks. That's $400 off this incredible 3D printer, so I'll have the links below. And speaking of the M4 MacBook Air, that is number 6. Right now, it's only $750 on Amazon. The super fast M4 chip, and of course Apple's great build quality, let alone their resale value that destroys Windows laptops. I don't think you're gonna get any deal like this after Black Friday is over, so use the link below. For number 7, we have the C20 water flosser and C41 electric toothbrush combo from our sponsor Costless, which is constantly ranked number 1 in Amazon's personal care category. Now this water flosser is amazing for quick flossing, since I honestly hate flossing my teeth manually, so I find myself skipping all the time, but with the C20, it's quick, easy, and painless. And the best part is that it comes bundled with their electric toothbrush for only 38 bucks for Black Friday, making it the least expensive set that you can get. Use the link below. Now for number 8, if you own an Apple Watch, you've got to try out the Moft magnetic watch band. The entire band is lined with magnets inside a flexible silicone material, making it the most convenient band I've ever used to quickly put on and make quick adjustments. And the cool thing is that each band comes dual color, and this is just extremely comfortable. It's $39 on Amazon. Now for number 9, no matter how good Apple claims their center stage webcam is on the latest MacBooks, it is nowhere near as good as a dedicated 4K camera like the Pixie from our sponsor eMeet. It's the world's first 4K AI dual camera webcam, which combines a large sensor 4K camera with a second camera, which helps with AI tracking, autofocus, and exposure, making it so much better than Apple's center stage, which simply crops into an ultra-wide camera for zoom, while the Pixie physically moves in all directions while retaining full 4K image quality at 30 FPS, making it the best choice for live streaming and video calls. It supports privacy mode by simply tilting the camera down, and it comes with a triple microphone array that sounds great, and it has super fast autofocus, letting you show off anything right in front of the camera at 4K quality. And it's only $128 for Black Friday until December 1st, and they've got great deals on the rest of their lineup as well, so use the link below to order. For number 10, we have the Meta Quest 3 VR headset. This thing is now a record low price of $250 on Amazon. I've got to say, out of all the VR and XR headsets coming out right now, you can't beat the price of the Meta Quest 3S. I mean, $250, and there are so many fun games to play. Yes, it's not the best quality, but you have the best gaming experience because the market of gamers playing on this is so vast that there are so many people online, so you also have great games because of that. For number 11, we have this right here. It's the Moft Tripod Wallet Stand. For Black Friday, it's only $40 on Amazon, and it is the most useful magnetic accessory that I've ever used because it's a wallet, so you can see that I have 3 cards in there right now. If you flip it like this, it becomes an instant tripod, and let me tell you, I use this all the time for recording videos, for doing time lapses, for doing group photos with family. Moving on to number 12, we have the Razer Joro keyboard, which they recently sent to me to test out, and this thing is amazing because it's built for the first time to support Mac OS. The globe key, option, command, we have delete, brightness keys, so it controls your display, but the really unique thing is that you have 3 Bluetooth pairing buttons at the top. So the way you connect is you press and hold one of them, and then you pair it to your device, and then you can have up to 3 devices paired. All you do is literally press 1, 2, and 3. So check it out with the link below. For number 13, you have the Backbone Pro gaming controller. It's $135 on Amazon for Black Friday. It comes with this really nice hard case. It essentially is a gaming controller with USB-C built in, and then it auto connects, and your iPhone actually powers it and has a hardwired connection with no latency for gaming. You could also use this as a Bluetooth controller, so you can connect it to anything, basically an iPad, an iMac. For number 14, we have the Saramonic Air microphone kit. It's $149, and essentially it comes with this nice little charging case where you have your receiver, where you basically just plug it into the bottom of your iPhone, and then you grab one of these little microphones. It has this little magnetic connector, so you put it inside of your shirt, and it instantly connects to your iPhone. So right now you can hear the quality of the microphone. It actually has noise canceling built in, which sounds really nice. So let me go ahead and plug it. Now you're hearing the audio from the iPhone itself. You can probably hear the noise in the background. The quality is not as good. Then you simply plug it right back in, and it should sound better. And finally, for number 15, we have my favorite over-ear headphones of all time, the Sony XM6. These just came out a few months ago, and they're now only $398 on Amazon. First of all, I love the hard case. It's so much better than Apple's crappy bra, and these are insanely comfortable. They're so much better than Apple's AirPods Max, and the battery life is absolutely insane. I was mind blown when I took these on a flight, and they just kept lasting and lasting and lasting and lasting. Plus, they sound amazing. It has slightly better audio quality than the AirPods Max, but the active noise cancellation is definitely better on these. And if you end up buying any of these products, let me know which one you bought and how it is down in the comment section below, and definitely subscribe for more videos like this one, and watch one of those 2 right there. We make a lot of Apple content, so check those out. Thank you guys for watching. Have an awesome Thanksgiving break, Black Friday. Have a great weekend, guys. We'll see you in the next one.